Yesterday, Avery rolled over on August the 8th. Since then, she hasn't rolled. Hi, pretty girl. Avery, can you look at Mama? Hey, pretty. Hey, Mickey Moo. Mickey Moo. What are you doing? You crawling? You trying to get somewhere? Huh? Huh? Hi, pretty girl. Hi. We just want to see you roll over. Mommy missed it yesterday. She turned her back for 1 second. That's when Avery rolled, huh? Avery. Avery. Uh-oh. Where you going? Oh. Missy Moo. Hey. Mickey! Mickey! Okay, should we say bye-bye? Should we say bye-bye? Yeah? Okay, bye-bye! Bye-bye!